Welcome to H.L. Johnson Elementary in Royal Palm Beach, Florida. I'm the proud principal, Dr. Crystal Amato. What makes us an A-rated school is our fantastic students, our incredible expert teachers, and our super involved parents. H.L. Johnson Elementary is a STEAM school, which is science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics.
So we're always going to start in our ones place.
H.L. Johnson Elementary is a Cambridge primary elementary school. We are the one and only out of all the public schools. Cambridge Primary helps students to explore, to become critical thinkers, and to involve sustainability in all of our classrooms and throughout the world as they grow as learners. Thank you for visiting H.L. Johnson Elementary. Go Jaguars!
Woohoo! Hello, everyone. We just had a virtual choice meeting, and I thought, you know what? I'll just go ahead and make a video also in case you were unable to make it. You can still learn about H.L. Johnson Choice Academies. Here we go. First and foremost, H.L. Johnson is an A-rated school. Whoop, 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 whoop. We are A-rated, and that is because of our phenomenal students, our excellent expert teachers, and of course, our families. Everything between H.L. Johnson is all about home-school relationship. We need you. We love having family involvement. I like to say if HLJ is doing A, B, C, D, E, then the families are doing F, G, H, I, and it keeps going and going and going. It is a full partnership. It does take a village. We are in the village of Royal Palm Beach, but it takes everyone involved in order to be an A and maintain A. And thank you so much for all of our families. At H.L. Johnson, we believe in communication, connection, and commitment. That is a part of everything we do. This year at HLJ, we are leveling up as Jaguars, and so we want to make sure that you are a part of that and we continue this strong community that we have here. Of course, first and foremost is school safety. It's everyone's responsibility, and it must be our number one priority in all schools, and especially in Florida, and especially at H.L. Johnson Elementary. We are a STEAM school, a Cambridge primary, and a Green School of Excellence. We have our website, our Facebook, our PTO Facebook, our Instagram, and X. Anytime you want to stay connected, we prefer you be a part of everything and involved and see what we have here going on every single day at HLJ. So please, please, please make sure you stay connected. The choice application opened Monday, November 3rd. The deadline is January 30th for H.L. Johnson Elementary. We are not a school where you need to audition, but if you are applying for a school that needs to audition, you need to have that in, your application in by December 5th. But for HLJ, it is January 30th, 2026. It is open that entire time. It is not a first come, first served basis, but make sure you get it in a timely fashion, because if not, you will be left out of the first initial lottery. And we want you to be a part of our lottery if you want to become an H.L. Johnson student. So here at HLJ, again, we are a STEAM and Cambridge Primary School. Those are our choice programs. If you would like a tour, please scan that QR code and we will set up a tour for you. I am not having any tours this upcoming week. We are having a little construction at H.L. Johnson. And so we're going to do it the following week. I just want to make sure everything is clear and safe and out of the way so you can see our school. We do like to have more personal tours. We may have up to 2 families, but we try to answer your question as a family. You get to see our classrooms, what our campus looks like. So please, if you would like a tour, please schedule a tour. It will be Mrs. Warren, our fine arts, our STEAM fine arts teacher, Mrs. Aguilera, our assistant principal, or me, Dr. Amato, your principal of H.L. Johnson. We are, again, a STEAM school. What does that mean? We love STEAM. It is a part of our fine arts. So you have PE, music, media, guidance, and then STEAM. And that's where team building activities, hands-on learning happens with science standards, engineering, design process, and coding and careers. You learn all about that in our STEAM fine arts. Again, we are going to be all about communication, cooperation, and coding in this class. And the engineering design process is within our classroom for STEAM every single day. If you have a question, we can imagine an answer. We can plan to answer that question. We create something, we test it, and then we ask more questions to improve our designs, which is the engineering design process. Your children go through that if they're already here at H.L. Johnson every single time they have their STEAM Fine Arts. If you are wanting to become a part of H.L. Johnson, they will have this as their fine art. We are also the only Cambridge primary right now in the school district of Palm Beach County. And what does that mean? Well, we are recognized internationally, fosters critical thinking and independent learning. It's aligned with Florida standards. Students explore their subject area in depth, and we prepare students for those accelerated courses in middle school and high school. Both of our middle school and high school feeder schools, which is Crestwood Middle and Royal Palm Beach High School, they do have Cambridge program. Crestwood is one of the middle schools that has it. And then all of our high schools in Palm Beach County do have ACE courses, and you can also earn an ACE diploma within the school district of Palm Beach County. For Cambridge Primary, we prepare students for life by helping them develop that informed curiosity and that lasting passion for learning. And the way we do this is we allow students to explore subjects in real depth. We incorporate a global vision of learning with sensitivity to cultural differences. We encourage that critical thinking, and we develop those problem-solving skills, and that's within every single classroom. And then we prepare students for those middle school and high school accelerated courses. And at the end of the day, what we want out of your child is a confident, responsible, reflective, innovative, and engaged learner here at H.L. Johnson, and we do that in every single classroom. Applications, again, are open. If you are zoned for H.L. Johnson Elementary, you do not need to apply. You are already going to be a part of our Cambridge and our STEAM programs. You need to apply if you are not zoned for H.L. Johnson and you want them to be a part of the STEAM and Cambridge initiatives. Either one, whichever one you apply for, you will still get both as a part of H.L. Johnson. If we believe it is good for one, it is good for all, and we believe in STEAM and we believe in Cambridge. Some tips for applying: write down your login information, obviously, for your application. Make sure you input all accurate information. Make sure you submit your application on time. If you want H.L. Johnson no matter what, then put STEAM and Cambridge as your number 1 and your number 2. And make sure you check your email and keep up with updates. If your zone school offers the same program as H.L. Johnson, your application will default to your zone school. So for instance, STEAM. Other schools have STEM and STEAM. If your zone school has that, do not put that as your number 1 choice because it will default to your home school. But we have Cambridge, so you can put that as your number 1 choice for our choice program, and then hopefully you'll get into our Cambridge program. My advice always when applying, if you are looking for a specific program, then make that as your 1 and 2 choice. If you're looking for a specific school, then make that your 1 or 2 choice if that is possible. Again, if your zone school has the same program as a school that you are not zoned for, it will automatically default to your zone school. So just keep that in mind, okay? If you need to contact us for any reason, H.L. Johnson Elementary's Academy's coordinator is Miss Kristen Warren. Her email address is there. Our assistant principal is Mrs. Agudello. And then I am your proud principal at H.L. Johnson Elementary, and we hope that you will be a part of our HLJ family. If you are not zoned for our school, please apply. Again, always stay connected to HLJ. We are your STEAM school. We are your only Cambridge primary in the school district, and we are a Green School of Excellence. Please stay connected with us all the time. I appreciate your time. Again, important application dates. The choice application window did open this past Monday, November 3rd, 2025. And the deadline is January 30th, 2026. To finalize that application, make sure you get it in the timely fashion so you can be a part of that primary lottery. And again, you can find out more information at palmbeachschools.org/choice. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a wonderful evening, and we hope to see you here next year at H.L. Johnson Elementary. Bye.